In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove and install RAM on a Dell laptop. Okay, now to install the RAM, and there you go, how to remove and install RAM on a Dell laptop. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.